Guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox the 2019 facelifted Ford Endeavour or Everest. But first, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and like this video, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles for daily updates. And if you want to buy this model, I'll provide the link in the description of the video. Or if you want to see the making of this miniature house, you can click the I button on the top right corner. So let's get started with the video. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.